Today we will learn about medians of longitude. The vertical lines on a globe or a map are called the meridians or the lines of longitude. So what do you mean by lines of longitude or meridians? The vertical line, that is the vertical line on a globe or a map is called the meridians or lines of longitude. These imaginary lines run from north to south pole. So it runs from north to south pole, crossing the parallel of latitude. So it crosses the parallel of latitude. Latitudes are from west to east and longitude are from north to south. They are numbered from 0 to 180 degrees east or west. So they are referred as 0 to 180 degree, either east or west. Some important lines of longitude are: first is prime meridian, which is 0 degree, and the international date line, that is 180 degree. The prime meridian, that is 0 degree, passes through the Royal Observatory at the Greenwich near London. So the prime meridian lies, that is 0 degree, and it passes through where? Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London. The observatory played a very important role in the study of the history of sun, moon, stars and planets. So the Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London, it plays an important role in order to study the history of about sun, moon, stars and planet. The other longitudes are measured from the prime meridian and are marked as east or west. So this is a landmark or a median through which we come to know on which longitude a place is. It is either in the west side or in the east side. The part of the earth which lies between 0 degree and 180 degree east is called the eastern hemisphere. So the part of the earth which lies from 0 degree, that is from prime meridian till 180 degree east, is called the eastern hemisphere. Simultaneously, the part of the earth which lies between the 0 degree and 180 degree west is called the western hemisphere. So similarly, from 0 degree, that is prime meridian, till 180 degree west, this portion is known as western hemisphere of earth. Next is some features of longitude. All longitudes meet at the pole. So whatever the longitude, it starts with the north pole and it meet at the poles. That means that is from north to south. As you can see over here, it starts from here and it move till south pole. So every pole meet at a pole. This is called the pole portion. All longitudes are of the same length. So all the longitudes are of the same length. The distance between the two longitudes is maximum at the equator. The distance decreases as we move towards the pole. So the distance between two longitudes are maximum at the equator. That means this is the equator, it is the maximum at the equator, and as we move towards the north pole and south pole, the distance decreases. Two opposite meridians form a great circle. So two opposite meridian, that means this form a great circle. A great circle divides the earth into two equal halves. So a great circle divides the earth into two equal halves. There are 180 meridian to the east of the prime meridian and 180 to the west of the prime meridian. So there are total from in the eastern side of the earth there are 180 meridians or longitude, and simultaneously in the eastern side there are 180 meridian or longitudes. In total there are 360 longitudes. So in total there are 360 longitudes.